The Anker Prime USB-C cable is designed to deliver ultra-fast charging, capable of powering a 16-inch MacBook Pro to 50% in just 26 minutes with its 240-watt power. Built to endure, this cable can withstand over 300,000 bends, ensuring reliability and longevity for years of use. The cable's upcycled-braided nylon construction supports a sustainable future by utilizing 100% post-consumer recycled materials. Its performance remains consistent even in extreme temperatures, ranging from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 176 degrees Fahrenheit, making it suitable for various climates. Each purchase includes 2 3-foot cables, a cord organizer, a welcome guide, and access to Anker's friendly customer service, along with an everlasting warranty. This cable is an excellent choice for those seeking a reliable and eco-friendly charging solution for their modern devices.